Welcome back to Industry Expert Insight, presented by Council Navy. Today, we are delighted to welcome Dr. Pranati Mane, a seasoned academic leader with 27 years of experience in engineering education. She is a professor, head of Electronic and Telecommunication Department at MS Wadia College of Engineering, Pune. Under her leadership, the institution achieved NAT A++ accreditation, reflecting a strong commitment to a quality education. With expertise in AI and curriculum innovation, Dr. Mane works at the intersect of academia and industry. So let's hear it from her. The changing landscape of learning and careers.
Absolutely. In the last decade have definitely transformed the learning and the career in a very rapidly manner. And the major key shift is that careers are no longer linear today. Earlier, we used to take degrees and then followed a traditional path, a predefined path. But now the students, they build their careers through their skills, projects, internships, and adaptability. You can say another major shift, if you ask me, that today is the rise of hybrid and interdisciplinary roles. So, for example, you can take electronics with AI, mechanical with programming skills. Then you need biology with coding or data analytics, data analysis, and so on. So, today's students, they need to think beyond their branches, and they need to explore the combinations which excite them. If you see Gen Z and Gen Alpha, they are coming from digital first world. They learn fast, they question everything, and they need the relevance. So it's very challenging nowadays. Like this is the main, you can say, biggest shift, a paradigm shift, you can say. So I always tell my students that your career is not decided by your degrees, but by the skills you pursue and the problems you want to solve. So that is my perspective on this.
AI and student guidance.
We have organized the international symposium on the impact of AI on learning and industry jobs last year at our Wadia College of Engineering, where our students they heard from industry experts, legal advisors, then academicians, various life coaches, and administrators. So the discussions over there, it helped students a lot. They understood how AI skills connect to real career opportunities, and how these AI skills connect their future job roles. So my students shared then, after attending the symposium, that these expert insights and the AI assessment, you can say, the combination of the experts insight and this AI assessment, it will give them much clearer direction about which domain they should explore. So AI, you can say, it's a powerful mirror which shows students their strengths, their learning styles, and their natural inclination at a very early stage. For example, AI tools can now analyze, you can say, their behavioral patterns, their responses, and their preferred tasks. So AI can suggest where a particular student should go for, whether he can go for design, whether he can go for analytics, or whether he should pursue core engineering, or he can go for a startup entrepreneurship. Or sometimes it can also suggest that if if the student is relevant for any other creative field or creative domain. So yes, AI is helpful for the students to select their right career path. What AI does, it analyzes the data and suggests you the options based on the data. So the information is provided by AI and the options are suggested, but still a human intervention is required, a human touch is required for taking a accurate decision. So here where the counselor roles comes. A counselor or a mentor, he adds human understanding, emotional support, and real life experience. So in a way, he gives a personal touch to it, so that students will get more accurate and meaningful guidance. So AI doesn't replace, in short, we can say AI doesn't replace humans, but it gives a scientific clarity and make mentoring more effective. So here where the Counsel Navi comes, that it is all about the effective combination of AI and human mentoring.
Importance of internship and academic projects.
Internships are becoming essential part of career for students. Here, by pursuing the internship, the students get exposed to real expectations, like they get exposed to deadlines, discipline, teamwork, and you can say problem solving. So even a small internship makes a high impact on students' career, because what I think, when a student pursue the internships, they get practical exposure to industrial environment, they get some network opportunities, many times they get placement opportunities also, and of course industry relevant skill set they can acquire. So it makes internship very essential for their careers. I have seen many students, though they are academically poor, or you can say average students, but when they go for the internships, their perspective towards education is drastically it changed, and they get a new vision for their career, so they get successful also. So we have many cases like these. And another question, like projects. Yes, of course, this is also an essential part. Project helps students discover their interests. So projects play a major role, though whether they make a very small tiny project, like if they build a small IoT device, or if they design or they build a small machine learning tool model, or anything like embedded system, a small project, but it does make a high impact on their confidence level, and they discover what they really enjoy. So I have seen students in my college that students are really they take part in different competitions, like eBaha, Robocon, national and international competitions. These are Aerathon, hackathons, and they enjoy it like anything. They work on it day and night in the college itself. We have provided them all the facilities, and then they work there day and night. And it's all are the multidisciplinary projects. So every branch students, they are working for the same objective, and you can't imagine the impact of engagement of students in the project. There is a lot of impact on their career. I can give you one example. One of my student, Niranjan Oha, he's from 2019 batch, 18 or 19 batch. He was a part of the team which was working on working for eBaha. It's a national level electric vehicle, off-roader vehicle making competition. So he has worked a lot. He has got exposure in that during that project. It's a multidisciplinary project. He was from ENTC branch, and the project was making a vehicle, electric vehicle, and which is an off-roader. So I'm very proud to say that now he is one of the best young entrepreneur, and he has started his own company called SimForge, which produces and supplies high performance sim racing cockpits, then monitor mounts, pedals for professional motorsports precision requirements. And in a very short span of time, he has started his company, or he has expanded his business in many countries. So this is a very good example. You can say that through the projects he reached that level. So yes, of course, project helps students discover their interest, and they take them in a bright career also. And another example, Rohit, he's currently pursuing his degree, but he has his own startup, a clothing brand, Urban Age Hoods. Also, he has another startup that he has started. He has set up a software company, Nexture X, where they provide IT solutions, web development kind of things. So all these students are motivated through their projects, like on second year level, third year level, and final year. So of course, projects are very important for career.
Need of early career counseling.
Of course, there is a need for early counseling. It's very important, so that students, it's like a guiding star for the students to follow their interests. And this is why this is important nowadays, because nowadays students are surrounded by so many options. They have too many choices. They have everything in front of us, and they get confused. This generation, they are very confused. They can't take decisions. They can't get good guidance. So due to that, many students lost their interest in engineering or in their career academics, and the focus drifts. So if you provide them a guidance at their early stage of career, it definitely make them successful in their future. So I have personally seen several cases where timely counseling helped students a lot, and they have changed their career path, and they have pursued their interests and became successful. So I can give you an example of one of my students, Shrikant Bangale, who is now an award-winning journalist. He was an engineering student, but now he's a award-winning journalist with an international news channel, BBC, you might be knowing. So initially he has enrolled in engineering, and throughout the 4 years we have observed him taking parts in different events. He was very much interested in organizing events, and pursuing those till the completion. He was good at communication skills, storytelling ability was strong. So all this we have observed, and with the right mentoring from the teachers, he recognized that his true passion lies in something else. So he has completed his engineering, and then he pursued journalism after his graduation, where he has excelled remarkably. So this is the case. I can say that early career counseling, that mentoring, you can say it is required. One more experience I would like to share. We have one student, Aniket. He almost in the second year of his engineering, he almost lost his interest in the education, academics, and he was on the verge of dropping it. He came to me, and then I guided him to rebuild his fundamentals. I assessed him that where he is lacking. I guided him that he should make his fundamentals strong and he should stay focused. Over the time, he rediscovered his confidence, and now you won't believe. Today, he is the owner of his own company, and now he is offering internships to our current students. So now we can say that early guidance just doesn't prevent wrong choices, but it can completely transform a student's career path and unlock their potentials. So yes, it is a need of an hour, early counseling, early career counseling.
Wadia College and Council Navy partnership.
We have partnered with Council Navy, and students are following it. They're taking advantage from their first year of engineering. Why Council Navy? Because it's a structured, scientific, and student-friendly guidance platform. On this platform, they have counselors, mentors, professional counselors. Also, they have industry experts also. So, as an engineering, I'm from engineering background, it makes sense that if they get guidance from the similar kind of background or technical or professional mentoring, definitely it is helping students. So students get clear reports, they get practical insights. The way they translate psychological and aptitude assessment into an actionable career path. So this is very important aspect about Council Navy. The students get to know a particular actionable career path. So these are the values what Council Navy has brought. And your second question, I would like to answer that how students can use it effectively. So students should use it proactively and effectively. They should take regular assessments. They should discuss with their parents and their mentors. They should decide their projects, internships, and even the electives also they should decide. And after that, they should take a call annually. Every year they should take a follow-up so that they will grow in their respective interests and fields. So this is how the students can use it.
Message for student and parents.
Okay. The message I would like to give to the students, today's generation students, is that your future, it is not defined by just one exam or one mistake. You should explore widely. You should learn continuously. You should be more focused. You should understand your strengths, and definitely you should do more projects, more internships, more certifications, more multidisciplinary projects. It all counts. And more importantly, do not forget to take a mentorship or a professional structured counseling at every step of your decision. So there are less chances, a very few chances for the failures, or at every step of your decision. Then for parents, I would like to say that, okay, the parents, this is a very different generation. This is not at our time. Your children are growing in a different world. Try to understand them, be with them, and I'm confident if you take a support from a professional mentor, so you and a professional counselor will make your child strong and able to grow in his or her career. So lastly, I would like to say that the right guidance at right time can save years of confusion. Combine your instinct with scientific tools and mentorship. This combination is too powerful. It's like a lighthouse. It's like a lighthouse which symbolizes guidance, direction, and navigation, all of which are the crucial aspects of career counseling. That's from my side.